हर दीपावली को पहला दिया रणवीरों के नाम।
The Tawang War Memorial is a stupa, Buddhist shrine in Arunachal Pradesh of Bharat, India. It has been built to commemorate the Indian martyrs who sacrificed their lives in the 1962 Indo-China War. The memorial is located at a stone's throw distance from Tawang town. Tawang War Memorial has been designed using Buddhist architectural and cultural elements, including prayer wheels and flags, colorful serpents, dragons, and other Buddhist relics. Some of these ornamental decorations have also been donated by the local Tawang population as a tribute to martyrs. All these things come together beautifully to highlight the sanctity of this place. Statues of deities like Lord Buddha can be seen inside. The picturesque memorial has a calming and serene and peaceful atmosphere, and from its grounds, snow-capped mountains and rugged hills can be seen in a 360-degree circle. Surrounding this stupa are several flags flying high, including the national flag, the army flag, the air force flag, as well as the flags of the 27 other regiments that fought in the war. The Tawang War Memorial was built in memory of the 2,420 members of the armed forces who laid down their lives in Kameng district during the war. The dedication plaque at the memorial reads, "Their names liveth for evermore." The memorial is divided into two major halls. One is a museum that houses the belongings of the martyrs, and the other is used as an auditorium where a sound and light show takes one back to the days of the war. There are wall-mounted photographs that chronicle the brave acts of the soldiers and exhibits that showcase the weapons and tanks used by both the Indian and the Chinese armies during the war. The glass-encased displays containing maps, which we have earlier seen in the video, show the rugged terrain and border areas where most of the fighting took place. The war monument also has a gift shop where mementos can be bought and the proceeds go to the army welfare. So, buy mementos for the welfare of the army.